Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the pumpkin and the button eyes in the Dress to Impress Wicked update. So I couldn't find the pumpkin anywhere, but they have just put it back in the dressing rooms. If you go here near the Halloween items, there will be a pumpkin here on the floor. And as for the button eyes, it's here in accessories. Well, like props, I guess. And then, yeah, that's where both of the items are. So the pumpkin, once again, is here. And the button eyes are here. And they just put it here like yesterday or like a few hours ago. So that's where everything is now. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.